And there it is, the sunset. Key Largo.
Hello.
Good morning, everybody. It's a special day here in Voca Venland because it's my birthday. We woke up with a rough idea of what we were going to do today, and things have taken a drastic turn for the better. Where are we going, Voca Ben?
I don't know, I just had this thought, let's go to Key Largo.
So we're going to Key Largo!
It is pretty crazy that, you know, you can just wake up and say, hey, let's go to Key Largo. So we're going to Key Largo.
It's going to be awesome.
It's been such a long drive. Yeah, very much. It's been almost 3 hours. Yeah.
It hasn't even been 45 minutes.
Key Largo! Key Largo!
Key Largo, baby! Key Largo! Finally, we made it to Key Largo, and the first thing we're gonna do is hit up the Key Lime Pie Factory. You wanna tell me a joke? What's the joke?
I like your hair.
Thanks, bud.
Can I touch it?
Is that a joke?
Can I touch it?
Sure.
Oh, I like your hair.
Oh. Yay! Okay, let's try. Take a bite. Let's see. Let's see how good. This is the most authentic key lime pie
I want to have.
in the Keys.
I want to have a yogurt mousse here. No. Yes.
So creamy.
Okay, tell me what you think, Johnny.
Not bad.
It's like,
It tastes so creamy and yummy.
oh.
Actually, the crust.
Fox, how is it? Worth the drive? It's good, Moo?
Tastes like yucky, disgusting wine. It tastes like it's so creamy, disgusting, and that is beer. But do you get to keep for long? This is shaving cream.
Is that a good thing or a bad thing?
Mama.
Here we go. We're in John Pennekamp Coral Reef State Park. Who's excited?
Me.
Whoa, lobsters.
Wait, look inside
What else is
there.
here?
Just look inside there. Whoa! It's a lobster inside. That's a lobster.
So we're at the beach here, but I worry, is it warm? Oh, it's not too bad. There's some good snorkeling out there. You really actually got to take a boat to get like the good reefs, but you can still see a lot from right here. Waters are so clear here. Just going for a walk over to see this little mangrove tree here. Is it a mangrove? Looks like a mangrove. So rumor has it that the iPhone can film underwater. We are going to put it to the test. Whoa! Let's see if we can figure out what kind of fish that is. Let me see if I can get closer. We just finished up at John something camp. Now we're at Reefhouse Resort. We're gonna go catch the sunset. Ready, guys?
It's so cool that we
Wow, look at that. Wow, 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 wow. So we're not even staying at this resort. We really just crashed. And they're having a great time. Is that a cozy hammock?
Oh, wait, don't make it to the Here it is. Here's the sunset. I'll show you it. The view. We're
at Winn-Dixie in Key Largo for dinner. We didn't really plan, so so well. So we're getting dinner at Winn-Dixie. It's probably the last video because I'm gonna drive for a long time. So I'm Boca Ben. That was Key Largo. Great place. I have a million people asking me everything. Yes, sure, get the chips. No, we're not getting Coca-Cola.
Yeah, she said that we could get.
Like and subscribe.